Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Learn Code Easily. So today we will solve. Oh, sorry. So today we will solve our new challenge. That is the. Let me open this one. History. Then we have 4 tabs. We have restore. So today I will solve the find player with 0 or 1 losses. Okay. So this is our 20 I think 28 challenge. And before moving, if you haven't accessed the video, if you haven't accessed the playlist, access it, because we have solved the number of question and we will continuously we will proceed further until I will not solve the enough questions so that you can get the concept, how you can solve the real life problems, how you can solve the coding questions, and how you can perform in the interview. So these questions will give you a little bit overview that what type of question and how you can approach towards the question. Okay, let it be. Let's move towards our 2225 question number. So here it is given that we have a array, and the array contains, we have a nested array of arrays, and the length of the nested array is of 2. The first shows that it is a winner, and it is a list of actually the players, and the first tells us the winner player and second tells us the who have lost the one match. So we need to return our answer in which there is 2 arrays inside this. First contains the number of player who haven't lost, who have not lost any match, and the second, which signifies that players only lost, player have loosen only one match. Here it is given that it is a list of all the players that have not lost any matches. It is a player that have lost exactly one match. If any player lost the more than one match, then we are not going to include this. So how we are saying how the answer is coming and how we can solve, that two things we are going to see here. So so here if we will take a look, so we have a 1 3, we have a 2 3, we have a 3 6. So the first is the winner, the second is the loser. Okay, so first is the winner, 1 is the winner, that means it is a 0 losses. Now 3, now this is the third player which have lost one match, which have lost one match. Similarly, the second player which have been won and lost 0 match. Third have lost the one match, but we can see that he have lost the previous match as well. So right now he have lost the 2 matches. Similarly, we have a third player who have won, but who have won, he have won the third time, but he have lost the 2 matches. He have lose he I can say he has defeated, he has lost the 2 matches. So here we will write he has won, but he have also lost the 2 matches. Now the sixth player have lost the one match, or you can see the, if I will give you the he have lost the one match. Now fifth player, as you can see, the fifth have not lost any match, so he have the 0 lost. Sixth player, previously he have lost the one match, and in the uh, fourth time he has also lost, so he have totally lost the 2 matches. So this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, this is the fourth time, this is the fifth time, this is sixth time, this is seventh time, this is eighth time. So you can say that the 8 matches have been played. So Now it is also done. Now 5 again came. He have lost a 0 match. Yes, previously he haven't lost any match. He has won in the last match here, and in the fifth time again he have won. Then he have a 0 losses. For 7 he have 1 loss for 7 player. Similarly, if we go for 4, he have won, he have lost the 0 match. Fifth has lost. Yeah, he have previously he has won. He has won, but right now he has lost. Similarly, we have 4. Now this is 0 for 8th player. 8th player has only 1 loss. Fourth player again won. Ninth player has only 1 loss. So we will see this is the 0 loss. This is the 1 loss. So for 0 loss, as you can see, for 1 we have 1. Then any other one have 0 loss. For 2 we have a second player. For third have lost 5 5. Then we have 4 4 4. But 4, I think I have missed something, because 4 is not included. So 1 3 3 6 5 6 5 7 4 5 4 8 4 9 10 4. I have, I think, uh, okay, this is the 4 9. Now again we have 10. So for 10 he have lost the 0 match, but but fourth player have lost the 1 match. Previously he have won, but right now he have lost. Now 10th player again he has lost 0 match, but for 9, whether 9 have previously lost 1 match, so he have lost just 2 matches. So one has won, 2 has won, 5 5 5 5 5 5 has again lost. Okay, so we have only 4. This is the 0 lost. Now I will write this is the 0 lost. Now I will write the 1 lost match. That is, as you can see, we have 4, because 4 4 we have 4. Then we have 5. Okay, then we have something, we have anything, we have I think 8th as well. 8th के पहले क्या 7 भी है? 7 7 7 कहाँ गया? 7 नहीं लिखा क्या हमने? 5 7 का हमने, हाँ 7 भी है. So then we have 8. Now if I write the second last, so second last में क्या है हमारा? 9 है. कोई और भी है? हाँ 6 भी है. क्या कोई और भी है? हाँ 3 भी है. कोई और तो मेरे हिसाब से कोई नहीं. देखो सब कुछ एक हो गया, 2 हो गया, देन वी हैव अ 3 3 3 भी है. 3 हो गया, 4 हो गया, 5 हो गया, 6 हो गया, 7 हो गया, 8 हो गया, 9 हो गया. ओके, so we need to return only this one and this one. I hope how the answer is coming, it is clear. Now how we will solve this? How we will solve this? So in the here it is given that the time complexity is the length of the mass is 10 to the power 5, means we can solve this question easily in n log n time. Actually we can get this answer, in n time, but here it is given that we need to return in the increasing order, means we need to sort it as well. So sorting take big of n log n time, and we can solve this one because the time complexity is big of 10 to the power of 5, and when we have less than or equals to 10 to the power of 5, then we can easily solve the solution big of n log n time if the length of the array. Okay, close, start करते हैं. So how we will do? Firstly we will take the 3 hash map. So in Python we called it as a dictionary. Okay, what will be the first hash map? The first hash map we called it as a 0 loss. Then the second hash map we have a called as 1 loss. Now the third we will call as a more loss, or I will call it as a JL. Then I have a call as a OL. Then I have a call it as a ML. Okay, so what we will do, if we see that the winner winner should always be in the zero, in the JL, but the person who have lost one or more matches, that will be inside the one or more lost dictionary. This is all dictionaries. Okay, now how I will solve. So so we have a ZL, we have a ZL, we have a OL. Now we have a ML. Okay, so in ZL, what will be the input? What we will store? We will store one the first element. Sorry, the first player which have been lost 0 time. Okay, now for this signifies that the player have been lost 1 time. So in the 1 time in the OL, 3 will go. He have lost 1 time. Now what will be the ML? Okay, now I will go to second. I As you can see that the second player is not present in both of the dictionaries, so he will be simply inserted. He have also lost 0 time. Now I will go at third. Now three have also lost the previous match, and he have lost the second match as well, so he have lost the 2 times. Now I will go at three. Three have won the match this time, but he has also lost the previous matches, so I'm not going to insert in the JDL, because JDL only contains the player who haven't lost any match. So for six, so he have lost only 1 time. So now when the third player has lost the 2 match, so I will pop it out from here, and I will insert in there as well in the ML, because ML contains the player who have lost more time, one. Now for five similarly inserted here, that is a 0 time. Now six has been lost previously, he have lost 1 time. Now he have lost the again match, so the numbers of time he has lost is 6. I will pop it out from here, or I will remove it here, and I will insert here. Again I came at 5 has won the previous match, he have lost the current match as well. So it's a dictionary. If I again insert it, then it will be removed with the because the dictionary does not contains the duplicate element. So if I inserted 50, then it will be the same. Now I need to insert 7 lost the 1 time match. Now I need to insert 4 have lost the 0 time match. Now I need to insert 5. Now this time 5 have been lost the match. Okay, so when it has been lost, so I will remove it off from there. Now for 4, again it is the same. For 8, so 8 has been lost 1 time. Now I came at 4 again won the match, but 9 has been lost the match. Okay, now 10 has won the match. 10 has won the match. It is the semi, yeah, but the 4 has lost the match. So as 4 has lost the match, so I will remove it from here, and I will be insert here. Okay, now for the 10 has again won the match, so it will be the same. Now 9 has lost the match. Now he has lost the previous 1 time. Now he has lost the again. So I will pop it out, and I will insert the here. I will insert in the ML. Now I need to return this one: 1 2 10 4 5 7 8. Now 1 2 10. Now I will get the keys from this list, and for in the same manner, we have a 7 here, we have a 4 here, we have a 5 here, we have a 8 here. I will get the keys, and I will sort it out. I will sort both of them, and then I will return. I hope that is clear. Now I will implement the same thing with the help of code. Let's try to implement it. So here we need to take the 3 dictionary. So we have a so we will take as a 0 loss. Let's take as a this loss. Then we have a 1 loss. Then 1 loss. It is correct. 1 loss, lost. 1 lost. 0 lost. Let's write as a 0 loss. 1 lost. More lost. Now it is done. Now I need to write here I have a winner now and I have a loser in matches. So what I will say if my zero lost, if my winner is in, अगर जो हमारा विनर है अगर वो हमारा किस में आता है, अगर वो हमारा ऑलरेडी वन लॉस में या फिर मोर लॉस में है, अगर वो पहले मान लो कि हमारे पास है 1 3 क्या लॉस कर चुका है, और जो सेकेंड और जो हमें दोबारा मिलता है मान लो हमारे पास एरे है 1 3 एंड 3 1, तो 3 तो एक बार लॉस कर चुका है, दोबारा यहाँ पर हमें क्या मिल गया 3। अगर वो सेकेंड मैच में अगर जीत भी गया है तो उसने फर्स्ट मैच में तो वो हारा है ना, अगर वो हारा है तो उसका तो 1 लॉस हो गया, तो वो तो जीरो लॉस में इंसर्ट कर ही नहीं सकते ना। सो वी विल सिंपली राइट दिस वन। ओके, अगर हमारा जो प्लेयर है वो दोनों डिक्शनरी में है ही नहीं, इन दोनों डिक्शनरी में है ही नहीं, इसका मतलब उसने तो मैच लॉस्ट ही नहीं किया। जब लॉस्ट ही नहीं किया तो चलो भाई इंसर्ट कर देते हैं। जीरो लॉस में हमें क्या करना है, विनर को इंसर्ट करना है, और व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ही हैज लॉस्ट द जीरो टाइम। ओके, नाउ द अगेन अगर वन लॉस्ट, अगर लूजर अगर लूजर हमारा वन लॉस में है, जो मान लो कि पहले हमारा था, अगर मान लो कि फर्स्ट प्लेयर ने फर्स्ट मैच में जीत लिया, बट जैसे ही सेकेंड मैच हुआ वो हार गया, अगर वो हार गया तो हमें जीरो तो हमें उसको निकालना होगा अपने जीरो लॉस से, बिकॉज उसने इस बार जीरो लॉस नहीं किया, उसने वन लॉस किया, उसने वन मैच लॉस कर दिया है। तो हमने बोला कि भाई डिलीट कर दो जीरो लॉस को, किससे, जीरो लॉस से डिलीट कर दो किसको, विनर को, सॉरी लूजर को, बिकॉज इस बार पहले जो विनर था इस बार लूजर हो गया है। ओके, और क्या कह सकते हैं, हम बोलेंगे लूजर अगर वन लॉस में ऑलरेडी है, मतलब कि मान लो कि उसने पहला मैच भी लॉस किया, दूसरा मैच भी लॉस कर दिया, अगर लूजर एक मैच ऑलरेडी लॉस कर चुका है, अगर वो दोबारा कर रहा है, सो मैं क्या बोलूँगा, मैं बोलूँगा इस बार उसको मोर लॉस डिक्शनरी में शिफ्ट कर दो। क्यों? क्योंकि इस बार उसने वन लॉस नहीं किया, उसने दो लॉस किया है, या दो से ज़्यादा मैच उसको लॉस किया हुआ है। सो हम बोलेंगे इस बार मोर लॉस कर दो किसको, लूजर को, इज इक्वल्स टू 2, बट हमें उसे वन लॉस डिक्शनरी में निकालना होगा, क्योंकि वन लॉस में तब हमने लूजर को डाला था जब उसने वन मैच को लॉस किया था, इस बार उसने 2 मैच को लॉस कर दिया। ओके, क्या कोई और भी हो सकता है, क्या कोई और भी कंडीशन हो सकता है? तो हम यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं, अगर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, अगर लूजर वन लॉस में भी नहीं है, अगर लूजर इफ लूजर अगर लूजर हमारा जीरो लॉस में है, अगर लूजर हमारा जीरो लॉस में है तो उसको जीरो लॉस से हटाओ और उसको कहाँ भेजो, उसको फर्स्ट लॉस में भेजो। सो उसे फर्स्ट लॉस में भेजो। ओके, अगर उसने ऑलरेडी वन मैच को लॉस किया हुआ है तो उसको वन लॉस से हटाओ और मोर लॉस में भेजो। अगर वो ना ही वो जीरो में है ना ही वो वन में है, अगर लूजर हमारा किस में है, मोर लॉस में है, सो कुछ भी नहीं करना है। अदरवाइज ना ही वो जीरो में है, ना ही वो वन में है, ना ही वो मोर में है, तो उसको सिंपली इंसर्ट कर दो वन लॉस में। और हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें आंसर रिटर्न करना है। ओके, एंड आंसर विल कंटेन द फर्स्ट आई नीड टू गेट द कीज फ्रॉम विनर, फ्रॉम जीरो लॉस dot keys, it will give me the key. Now I will change it to list. Once I get the list, then I need to sort it out, then I am using the sorted. Now it is also done. Now I need to copy the same thing and paste it here. And now इस बार हमें वन लॉस्ट की वैल्यू को लेना है कीज निकालनी है, सॉर्ट करना है, हमने पहले कीज से निकाला, उसको बस लिस्ट में चेंज किया, देन उसको हमने सॉर्ट कर दिया. नाउ वी हैव आंसर. नाउ सिंपली वी नीड टू रिटर्न द आंसर हियर. दैट्स इट. लेट्स ट्राई टू रन इट. ये कह रहा है इफ विनर इन वन लॉस्ट और विनर इन सेकेंड लॉस्ट, then we have to, if we have a zero lost, again else, if ऐसा है, if ऐसा है तो ऐसा कर दो भाई, ऐसा कर दो. रन हो गया है. चलो सबमिट करके भी देख लेते हैं. एरर तो आएगा नहीं शायद. आ गया तो सॉल्व कर लेंगे. वाओ, रन, इट्स रन. ओके, चलो ये तो रन हो गया. इतना तो समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर मान लो, अगर हमें यहाँ पे बोला जाए कि हमें भाई देना है, हमें देना है लिस्ट जो हमारा साइज होगा 10, और जिसमें हमें जीरो लॉस प्लेयर को इंक्लूड करना है, 1 लॉस प्लेयर को इंक्लूड करना है, सेकेंड लॉस को करना है, थर्ड लॉस को करना है, सिमिलरली 10 प्लेयर 10 और मतलब कि ऐसे लोगों को इंक्लूड करना है जिन्होंने 0 से लेके 9 मैच तक हारे हों. मतलब द लेंथ ऑफ द रिटर्न लिस्ट इज 10. Now should I take the 10 dictionaries here? No, it is going to be create a mess for us. We cannot even balance the code. It is not the good programming. We cannot say it's a good practice of coding. So how we can solve? Instead of taking all these, we need to find a way where I can store all these value, like the 0 loss, 1 loss, more loss, or 10 loss, 15 loss, 100 loss, or 1000 loss. We have to store all the value at a single place. And when I need to find, when someone says that give me the list of players who have lost the 20 matches, then similarly then simply I go to the list which I have stored and fetch the value which have lost the 10 matches. And instead of managing all these dictionary, we need to manage only one array or one dictionary. It may be or may not be, because we need to discuss on it. Okay, so if I say that we need to take the dictionary or we need to take the array, so it's a static thing that I'm saying to you and you are just assuming. But when I will make you understand, you need to understand that why I am taking this particular data structure instead of all these data structure. So we need to balance only, we need to maintain only one data structure which keeps tracks of all the player, how many times he have lost and how many times he have won. And if someone says that give me the 100 players list who have lost the matches from 0 to 99 times, so we will simply go inside the list, we will simply take the list and fetch the value and return. So how we will solve? Okay, now we need to perform here every operation takes big O of 1. Okay, so what is the other data structure we have which actually takes the big O of 1 time complexity? Which actually takes the big O of 1 time complexity in the insertion, deletion, or looking into the array? That is the set. That is the set, and we are going to use the set. But how we can replace all these with the help of set? Okay, so let's see. Assume that we have a set, and I hope that all you know that set does not contain the duplicate. Set does not contain the duplicate at all. If you insert the 0, if you insert the 1, if you insert the 1, if you again insert the 1, if you again insert the 1, no matters how many times you are inserting 0 and 1, the set is always contain 0 and 1. Okay, I will maintain here two things. One is the s, and let me, okay, so let it be, so let it clear some space, or okay, let it clear some space here. Now I will take here s, that is a set, and second I will take as a d. Okay, or you can say you can take any dictionary. It's a dictionary, it's a set, you can take any good name. Okay, so I have a dictionary, I have a set. I will insert these two elements here, 1, comma 3. And in the dictionary I will say if any element is present or not. If any element, so I will only take care here for the loser. Loser is present? No. So I will simply say the third player have lost the match one time. Similarly, I will go for 2. I will insert 2. Now I will again go at 3. Now 3 have lost the 2 time match. Okay. When I will insert the 3 here, so I will get only 1 2 3, because it does not take the, it does not contain a duplicate. It removes the duplicate if it is present, because internally it uses the hash map. It uses the hash map, so that's why it does not contain the dictionary. Now when I came to 3, it is already present, so no matter. So 6, so 6 has lost the match one time. Now for 5, I have inserted 5 here. Now I need to insert 6 here. Similarly, I need to take care only the loser value. Loser value, we need to take only loser value. We need to focus only the loser value. So 6 has lost the 2 time match because it is already present there. Now I need to insert 5. So 5 is already there. I will simply insert 7. So 7 have lost the one time match. Now I need to insert 4. Now 4. Now 4 have lost the match one time. Sorry, so here we need to focus only the loser value. So we have insert the 5 here. So 5 is already present, so I will came here. 4 is already present. I need to insert 8 here. 8 has lost the match only one time. Now I need to come here. 4 is already present. I need to insert 9. So 9 is not present, so he have lost the match only one time. Similarly, I need to come at 10. I need to insert 10. Then 4 is already present, so 4 have lost that match only one time. Now I need to come at 10. Now 10 is already present. Now 9 have lost the match two times. Okay, now I have this list. Now this is the list. This is the list. Inside this I have to go, and we will make use of this dictionary, which help us to find out how many times a player have lost or won the match. How? I will go here at 1 and I will look into it. I will look into it whether 1 how many times the first player have lost the match. So 1 is not present, so simply I can say he have lost the match 0 time. I will go inside the 3. How many times he have lost the match? 2 times. I will go at 2. How many times he have lost the match? It is not present, so I can assume it's 0. For 5, how many times he have lost the match? 1 time. For 6, how many times he have lost the match? 2 times. Okay. For 7, how many times he have lost the match? One time. For 4, how many times he have lost the match? One time. For 8, how many times he have lost the match? One time. For 9, how many times he have lost the match? Two time. For 10, how many times he have lost the match? So 10 is not present, so I can assume 0. Now what will be the output? 1 to 10. 1 have lost the 0 time. 2 have lost the 0 time. 10 has lost the 0 time. Now how many player have lost the match? Only one time. Fourth, then we have a fifth, then we have a 7, then we have a 8. So instead of managing the multiple dictionary, we are just managing the two of them. Okay, and we can get the value. So no matter if we need to find that, we need to find the player who have lost the match 99 times, so we can also find, because we need to make use of only two. I hope that is clear. So let's take the two dictionaries. First is the set. Let's take the two data structure. First is the set, and second is the dictionary. So I will copy the same here. I think so. Let's copy the same and see what will be the changes we can made here. So first of all, I need to take the, let's take the S as set. Okay, now I have taken the set. Now what I need to do, I need to winner and loser in matches. If it is the case, then let's take as a scene, because we have seen. Okay, now scene dot add, what we need to add, we need to add the winner or loser to both. Scene dot add loser, and I need to take one of the dictionary, that is the D. So if loser in D, or you can give the name as win or lose dictionary, because it contains the wins or lose the dictionary, means how many player have been lost the match, how many player have won the match. If this is the case, then win, if he is present, then we need to simply increase by 1, otherwise loser always loses the match one time. So loser. Okay, now I need to remove this one. Now I need to this one, and we have the scene, so we will simply write it as a player in scene. Okay, let's remove all. If if dictionary or win or lose, or I can say get player 0, if it is 0, then I will take, let's take the 2, that is a winner array, or winner player, I can say as a winner player. Then we have a lost player or lose, let's take as a loser player, or we can take as a loser player. Okay, now we have a 2. Now if it is if this is the case, then I will simply append the player to the winner. if winner dot get dot player, if इसका अगर 1 है, सो हमारा तो भाई अपेंड कर दो प्लेयर को, और रिटर्न क्या करना है, रिटर्न करना है इस बार में सॉर्ट, क्या सॉर्ट कौन सी वैल्यू करनी है, सॉर्ट हमें वैल्यू करनी है विनर की, और हमें कौन सी वैल्यू को सॉर्ट करना है, हमें करना है लूज़र की वैल्यू को सॉर्ट करना है और सिंपली रिटर्न करना है। अच्छा, तो अब इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब ये है कि भाई अगर प्लेयर को ढूंढो, अगर प्लेयर डिक्शनरी में है, जैसे हमने देखा हमने बोला कि 1 तो डिक्शनरी में था नहीं, तो वह हमने ज्यूम कर लिया, अगर 1 डिक्शनरी में नहीं है, इसमें विनर, अगर 1 डिक्शनरी में क्या था, हाँ अगर 1 डिक्शनरी में 1 अगर सीन में नहीं है, बिकॉज सॉरी, लेट मी अगेन रिपीट। सो विनर और लॉस डिक्शनरी हमेशा लॉस से फोकस करती है। सो जब हम बोलेंगे कि अगर 1 को फाइंड करो इसके अंदर विन और लॉस को, तो मिलेगा ही नहीं। सो जब भी हम अगर बोलेंगे, अगर हम इस चीज़ को लिखेंगे, इस चीज़ को, और लूजर की जगह लिखेंगे 1, सो इट विल गिव मी एन एरर। बट व्हेन आई राइट दिस फंक्शन डॉट गेट, इट डज नॉट गिव एनी एरर इफ इट डज नॉट फाइंड एनी एलिमेंट इनसाइड अ डिक्शनरी। सो सिंपली ही विल टेक द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू दैट इज 0। सो विन डॉट हम क्या बोल रहे हैं भैया, प्लेयर की वैल्यू को गेट करो, 1 की वैल्यू को गेट करो विन और लॉस डिक्शनरी से, तो वैल्यू को गेट करेगा, उसको मिलेगा ही नहीं, तो हम बोल रहे हैं भैया नहीं है तो 0 कर दो। और यहाँ पर भी हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, वैल्यू को गेट करो, अगर वैल्यू नहीं है तो 0 ले लो, अगर वैल्यू है, अगर उसकी वैल्यू है, सो हमको सिंपली रिटर्न कर दो। सो सिंपली हम लोग यहाँ पर रिटर्न कर रहे हैं। इसको भी एक बार रन करके देखते हैं क्या एरर आ रहा है, क्या एरर नहीं आ रहा है। int ऑब्जेक्ट हैज नो एट्रीब्यूट, सही बात है भाई, नहीं होगा। विनर, नाउ वी हैव अ विनर, so I need to take as a loser player, we have a loser player, we have a winner player array. So yeah, that's it. Now we have a we what we are doing here, we have a winner, same problem, same mistake I'm doing again and again. Now it will run fine, I hope so. Let's run. Okay, let's submit it. So what is the time complexity? The time complexity is big O of n. What is the space time complexity? space time complexity is big O of n log n. What is the space time complexity? That is a big O of n, because we are taking the two dictionary that contains only big O of n element. I hope that is clear. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care.